Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Cloud SQL, manage SQL databases step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in cloud.google.com and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the console button in the top right corner. Click on the console button to access your Google Cloud Console. If prompted, enter your Google account email and click Next. Next, enter your password and click Next again. After logging in, you will be taken to the Google Cloud Console dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate the SQL option under the Databases section. Click on SQL. You will see a list of available SQL instances. If you don't have any instances yet, click the Create Instance button to set one up. If you already have an instance, click on the instance name to enter its management page. Once on the instance management page, you will find various options to manage your SQL database. To connect to your SQL instance, look for the Connect Using section. Here, you can choose your preferred connection method, such as using Cloud Shell, the Cloud Command Line, or connecting via a client application. For a quick connection using Cloud Shell, click on the Open Cloud Shell button. A terminal window will open at the bottom of the console. Use the provided connection command to access your SQL database. Be sure to enter your database username and password when prompted. Once connected, you can manage your SQL databases using SQL commands. If you wish to disconnect, simply close the Cloud Shell window. You have successfully logged into Google Cloud SQL. Now, you're ready to manage your SQL databases efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.